Hi traders, today is 20th of September 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market, November 2019 contract. So at this moment, we just enter for London session entry at 58.71 or 72. So in this video, I will show you how I trade the London session. So technically, the market on the sideways move. As you can see, it's quite easy to identify this kind of situation. I'm expecting for the market to go further up. So the target TP should be around 72.28 plus 34. 62 ticks. Hopefully you can reach within next 2 hours time. So we are now in minus 10 or minus 1 ticks. So let's be patient. So the market will make their move any moment soon. Okay, so there's a link video below in my description. You may find the live broadcast. As you can see here, this is how I broadcast my live signal for London session 5071 a breakout, and not really a breakout. It's based on the hidden volume strategy or setup I created myself, and the TP is 59.34. Should be around 62 ticks the target. So order already filled, so now we are waiting for it to go to our direction, or let's wait. Should be in the good direction. Okay, let's take a look on the volume. This is quite important to see. Okay, 5900 106, and this is quite typical volume at this moment. It's not interested us. Okay, let's start to move. Looks good. On the bottom side, so there's 5860 around 97 queuing at this area. So let's wait if the market break through this. This is the highest for now. This is the second high, so I'm expecting for it to break through the first and second high to go for the higher. So the target is here, 59.34, around 62 ticks to our entry level. So this strategy is based on the hidden volume. Mostly it will work, but there's also a bad time. Hopefully this one is a good one. By the way, this is live trading using the Robert platform. I also link it to CQG as well. So this is the overall view. There's a close air, make it easier for us to see. So the entry is at this 58.72. This is our entry. So now the price is 58.75.74. The first target is 58.33. Sorry, 59.33. And I will increase my position size at 58.85. This I will add in my second position size. So let's take a look on the overall chart. So since yesterday the market had made a good move, a bit pullback in terms of the overall after the quite big sell over here. So try to consolidate and now try to go further up. Maybe that's the direction at this moment. So this is my TP. So let's wait. We have been in the market for about 1 hour, and we will wait for another maybe 1 hour or two to see whether this can have a good entry, because we are expecting around 62 ticks. So it cannot be quick. If you watch my video for US session, that one with the same setup, but mostly for scalping, and it was a quick and easy entry setup. Looks good at this moment. We are plus 6 ticks. Alright traders, we are now entering US session. So market already kicked in for US session, and there will be one more signal during US session, especially for scalping. At this moment I'm still holding my position from London session, which is entering buy position at 58.72. Now you can see from the chart that the market keep moving on the sideways, waiting for penetration to the upper side, maybe perhaps. So this is what I'm expecting for the market at this moment for today major price movement. So you can see from the larger picture on the larger time frame, like 1 hourly chart, market burst up. Market burst up. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Within a few seconds. Within a few seconds, we exit the market. Yeah. Luckily, I managed to record it live. So if the price fall back, I might enter one more time, because the target is 59.34. Because this spike, I have to exit immediately. Luckily, we catch it live, so I have closed the position with profit. At this moment, the market will go higher, but now the thing is how to find entry, because the market already in, and my entry actually is quite good. Target is 340, sorry, 600. Now we have half of it, so let's wait. Maybe the price give another entry tonight. For US session, we still haven't received any signal yet, so let me check for link for my live Telegram. So it was a good one. I didn't type it correctly. So it was a good trade, and quick as well. So the market will go higher. I'm expecting for the market to reach somewhere here at 15.34. This is the target. It will go there for another 30 ticks. Since we have left the market, so now the remaining is we have remaining our US session entry. Okay, my laptop is currently running now also. Maybe I can catch it live only, but the market will go to this direction. So our previous target is here, 15.34. It's quite clear. This is also I'm expecting to have this target 15.34, but already exit, so I have to find another entry point before US session, waiting for it to make a pullback, or in the smaller time frame, I need to find a good entry. Market did go further up, so I miss the whole thing. I shouldn't exit earlier, so now should be around 40 ticks, 400. I should remain waiting, but this is trading. As long it's profitable, then better exit at the profit. It was a good trade. after all. Almost near my TP area. I should wait, but well, also for US session, it's very hard at this moment to go into the market because market is spike, and it's very hard with this kind of price movement to find another entry point. Now the market already stabilized. Fully, there will be another entry, but not sure it's quite hard to find entry at this higher side. So I will close my video this one for London session, and if feel free to click on the description below for my live signal broadcast, so you may find it uh, in the link below in the description. So there's a free trial, so you can take this opportunity to get used to read. So at this moment, I still haven't yet received any setup or signal for US session. So I will continue maybe in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. And also, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, comment. Thank you.